Yeah. Another cute kitten in a basket. Yes, we got another cute kitten in a basket. Actually, we got lots of cute kittens in the baskets. This one's been sleeping while everybody else has been playing. Ah, here comes, this is Kemo Sabe, by the way. And this one is, Kumquat. Okay. Mom's been carrying her catnip toy around, making hunting noises. Hunting noises. Kumquat's worn out. She helped me clean the nursery. Kemo Sabe didn't help at all. She just slept through the whole thing. Okay, now she's starting to wake up. She's going to be a pest. Yes. That's her plan. I know it.